10 users, flawless. 100, smooth. 2,000 hit your API at the same time, HTTP 429. Your app is down, users see errors, and your Slack is on fire. Welcome to rate limiting. AI providers limit you in two ways. RPM, requests per minute, counts every API call equally, no matter the size. And TPM, tokens per minute, counts every input and output token combined. Hit either limit and you're blocked. Here's the trap. Your development tier might have generous limits, but production limits depend on your spending history. You can be rate limited on launch day even with a paid account. Always check your actual tier limits before going live. When you hit a rate limit, the 429 response includes headers that tell you exactly when you can retry. Retry after, remaining requests, remaining tokens, and reset timers. Always read these headers, they're your roadmap back in. Strategy 1, exponential backoff. Start with a 1-second wait, then double it each retry, 2 seconds, 4, 8. Add random jitter so all your retries don't slam the API at the same moment. This is the minimum viable retry strategy. Strategy 2, respect the retry after header. Instead of guessing how long to wait, parse the header from the error response and sleep exactly that long. It's more precise than backoff alone. Strategy 3, don't just react to rate limits, prevent them. A token-aware rate limiter tracks your usage in a sliding window. Before every request, it estimates the token count and waits if you'd exceed the limit. Prevention beats retry. Rate limits protect the provider, but who protects you? Token budgets. Set max tokens on every single request. Unbounded output means unbounded cost. If the model hits the limit, finish reason will be length, so you know it was cut short. Per-user budgets prevent one runaway user from draining your wallet. Track each user's daily spend and reject requests once they hit their limit. $1 a day per user might sound generous until you multiply it by 10,000 users. For AI agents that loop and call models repeatedly, you need per-task budgets. Cap the total tokens, total cost, and maximum steps. Without these guardrails, an agent can burn through your entire monthly budget in a single recursive loop. In production, you need multiple layers working together. Per-user budgets at the top, per-request token limits in the middle, per-task budgets for agents, and organization-wide monthly caps at the bottom. Defense in depth. When multiple services share one API key, allocate quotas. Give your chatbot 53% of tokens, search gets 27%, and agents get 20%. Leave a buffer. This way, one noisy service can't starve the others. When your primary model is rate limited, don't just fail, fall back. Build a model chain. Try GPT-4o first, then Sonnet, then GPT-4o Mini. Each fallback might be less capable but keeps your app running. Monitor everything. Track 429 hits per model, tokens consumed by direction, and costs per user. Use Prometheus counters and set alerts. If your rate limit hits spike, you want to know before your users do. Let's recap. Always implement exponential backoff. Read the rate limit headers. Set max tokens on every request. Use per user and per task budgets. Build model fallback chains and monitor everything. Your production AI depends on it.